fourth. Gates open that up and racing. Hold that cat. Draws for your lead. Running by Darrell Dandino. Near at hand is on the outside. Iwo Jima. Then followed by number 7 Goldfield Roadmaster is on the outside. Followed by Dico Akalain Pag-asa and Lady G&J as they rounded the last 600. Hold that cat running on the outside, near at hand. Roadmaster racing in third, Goldfield down in fourth, and moving up once again is Dandino as they swing for home. Hold that cat near at hand. Dandino making room by Darrell and Dory outside. Roadmaster Goldfield, and down the stretch they come. Hold that cat. Dandino is by Darrell near at hand. We have Hold that cat. Dandino is by Darrell. Hold that cat near at hand is on the outside. We have Gold that cat and near at hand is on the outside. And finally, Hold that cat near at hand. Goldfield, Dandino, Dico Akalain for your pentafecta. Then comes number 2, Iwo Jima Pag-asa Roadmaster.